I already ripped all of these checks, a stack of checks, calculated them. So Aiden's gonna calculate $2,210, $350, $75, $175, $1,104, $345, $1,053, $50, $200, $780, $50, $200, $30, $125, $30, $125, $230, $975, $780, $585, $750, $320 is $10,942.
What?
This is the power of high ticket business. A lot of this was passive income, bonuses. We have monthly bonuses. And so kids are going to go deposit this here in a minute at the bank. I'll show you guys the receipt.